In previous video, we have been learned about a design, watermark application and all. Now we are going to learn about in a layout option. In layout option, for example, if you like to change the paper size, you are taking a print in a A3. Okay, then you can change the paper size. If you like to print not in a vertical format, you like horizontal format, in the sense it should be rotated to a 90-degree. Okay, like this it should be, your document should be like this. Then how to change the size or margin. If you like to change the margin, you like to increase margin or decrease the margin, we can use this one. Here margin is there, default margins are there. There is a 1 inch margin, all side 2.54 centimeter has been given. You can change it to narrow margin, reduce to the half. Okay, half a inch 1.27 centimeter. Or you can change different margin for a top and bottom and left and right. Again, wide margin, increasing your top and right and left and right to a higher, double the left and right. Or you can custom margin also you can select. Okay, then it comes to the orientation. Portrait is nothing but a vertically like this. Landscape is nothing but when horizontal. Okay, that is a thing you can change, portrait or a landscape for your pages. And size you can change here, letter size or A4 size, A3 size, based on that, on which paper you are planning to take a print. For example, you are using a legal paper size, then use a legal size here to construct a document, so that your document will be much lengthier. Okay, like this you can change the paper size. You can change the paper size based on which paper you are planning to take a print. Based on that, we have to change the paper size. We have to change the paper size based on which page you are taking a print. Okay, again you can do it all together here by using a margin. Go to custom margin, go to custom margin, where you can change the margin size. Okay, for example, here two, all need to be 2 centimeter. You think that all to be 2 centimeter, you can write 2 centimeter everywhere, left, right, bottom, top. Then if you like to change the paper, okay, you can change here marge portrait or landscape. You can change the preview also, you can see. And paper size you can change to the legal or to the A4, like that. The popular page size you can select, by default it will be applied, and you can say OK, so that each and everything will be changed here, for which page you have been selected, for which page you have been selected. Like this you can change the entire document. Okay, you can change the entire document layout, in the sense you can change the layout in the sense of margin and orientation and size. We already learned about columns in a bulletin. Okay, when you are applying a bullets at that particular time, we have been discussed about the columns. Okay, this is a way to change the layout of your document by using a layout option.